Hello everyone. Let us solve a definition where we are going to actually play a game. We will ask the user to enter a number between 1 to 10 and we will see if the randomized number generated is the same number that is entered by the user. If so, we will show the message you won, otherwise we will show the message you lost. So the first thing we'll have to do is create one text box where the user enters a number from 1 to 10. We are converting that number into the string into a number, and then we are verifying whether it is converted correctly or not. If not, we throw an error. If yes, then we are going to check. Now before the check, we will have to generate our own random number. So let us take the variable number and let us try to find out the random number using the random method. Now if you recall from the earlier video, I'll put a card somewhere here so you can just check out the earlier video. So since we are trying to create a random number in a given range, we will have to take. Now my range is from 1 to 10. So I'm going to straight away write in 1 plus, and here I'm going to take the random number and multiply it by the value of 10 minus 1. Now, if you recall from the earlier video, if you take a range of 1 to 10, then 10 is not included. What if the user enters 10? We want it to be included. So we will take 11 minus 1. So that should give a number which is from 1 to 10, both inclusive. And also, I want the floor of this number. So I'm going to add in one more function, that is the floor function, and to this floor function we are going to add 1 so that the range starts from 1 to 10. Now after doing this, we have our random number. It's an integer number. So finally we will check if the number that is entered by the user and the number that we have generated using the random function, if they are same, then we would just show a message. Otherwise, okay, that's how we would go. If you can actually modify this and you can count how many times the user is giving correct guesses and how many times the wrong guesses were entered. But meanwhile, for this definition, let us just try this out and see. So let me enter a number 9 and let me guess. Okay, so the number entered by the user, that is me, is 9, and the number which was guessed by the system was also 9, so it says you won. Now let me try and enter 8. So okay, some number was guessed by the system which is not 8, so it says wrong guess. Likewise, let me guess a number, say 3. Okay, that was a wrong guess. 5, and that was again a wrong guess. Now, if I just click the button, then there are chances at one point, the system would guess 5. Well, that's a cheating, but still, that's how you can go ahead and cheat and win. So anyways, it's not coming to 5 for a long time. But then yes, at some point it might guess the value 5 and I might win. So try this definition, and in the next video we'll take up a new definition.